Prepositions with adjectives are special word pairs in English. Certain adjectives always use specific prepositions. Today we learn 3 important combinations: good at, interested in, and afraid of. These patterns help show ability, curiosity, and fear. Good at describes skills and abilities. Use good at when someone does something well. She is good at math means mathematics is her strong subject. He is good at playing guitar shows music skill. They are good at solving problems means they find answers easily. Interested in shows curiosity about topics. Use interested in for subjects or activities you want to learn. I'm interested in music means songs attract me. She is interested in art shows, she likes painting and drawing. They are interested in learning English means they study the language. Afraid of expresses fear of things or situations. Use afraid of when something scares you. I'm afraid of spiders means insects frighten me. He is afraid of heights shows tall places scare him. They are afraid of the dark means night without light worries them. The basic pattern is adjective plus preposition. Always follow this order: good at, interested in, afraid of. Each adjective needs its correct preposition to sound natural. English speakers expect these exact combinations in conversation. Prepositions connect adjectives to nouns and show relationships. Good at shows ability connection. Interested in shows curiosity connection. Afraid of shows fear connection. These combinations create clear meaning about skills, interests, and fears. Avoid wrong prepositions with these adjectives. Never say good in, interested on, or afraid from. Always use good at, interested in, afraid of. These mistakes sound unnatural to native speakers. Practice the correct patterns every day. Memorize adjective preposition pairs through repetition. Say the combinations aloud daily. Create your own sentences using good at, interested in, afraid of. Regular practice builds natural English speaking ability. Focus on these 3 patterns first.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.